Hey guys, I'm back with another sound video. So I'm teaching how to make sound like glue and tide. So here's a tested one here was a tested one that I made. So it's very stretchy and fluffy.
Look, this line.
Now I have my tie. So I'm gonna pour the tie right in. Then I'm going to add a little butter. So I just added a little bit of tar. So yeah. Now I'm mixing and it's forming like glue. So you keep mixing until it forms. Well, it's already formed, but mix. If you don't feel like kneading, then just mix. Make sure you subscribe. Ugh.
Take this out.
Now it should look like this, but you have to knead it first. I'll come back when I'm finished kneading. Look, John. It's gooey. Wait, let me feel it.
Wait, hold on.
Let me feel it.
Let me take all of it out and then I'm
Can I get some of it? Let me get some. Okay, so it should look something like
Yes!
this.
I get to take it out.
It should look something like this.
John, look at this. Look how. Let me see. Let me take this out. Wait. John, hang on.
Alright. So it should be looking like this when you're kneading it
How
too.
about I just keep our old stuff?
Okay.
So this was mine. All of this was mine.
Okay, so
Oh, you want
mixing it up. I'm
let's
mixing this one up.
The sharing is caring. Leave that right.
Not necessarily.
Not
Not necessarily.
necessary. Yes, that is.
Okay, this is fluffy. So
John, can I do?
can I put some? I just made this, but I'm gonna mix it up with this.
Can I make some?
So now I'm
Can I
gonna
make
mix
some?
it up with
Wait.
this.
Can I make some? John.
I'm
John.
gonna mix it up.
Can I make some? Can I make mine? I already have my own.
Okay.
The timer already shared. Let me just share.
Okay, so cause here,
No, I'm just printing now. I'm pouring out a little, okay?
alright, so it's fluffy, and yeah, I like this slime. And here's a slime he just got from a brush.
John, no, don't
It's not,
mix
nothing's
it.
gonna happen to
Yes,
it.
it is. That's different kind of slime.
I know, I'm not gonna mix it.
No, but your hands. Look at your hands.
Can I have this piece?
John, wait. But look at your hands. You can't do it like that. And if you do that, it's not gonna stick anymore.
I just got finished from eating it. Oh, so slimy. Okay, so now here's how it should look. But it's different types of tie. If you use the blue tie, then it will turn like a baby sky blue. A baby blue.
Like, let me use the tie.
Okay. So it should look something like this, and it should feel soft and stretchy. So comment some more videos and challenges I should do.
Yeah, comment some, guys. I'm already making mine.
So we're gonna be doing some challenges, maybe tomorrow or today at the hotel.
Play with mine, because mine needs
Wait,
to
where's
be
the clear one?
It's right here.
My hands
just
aren't
leave
sticky.
this. Let's just leave that
I'm
one.
not gonna
No.
mess it up. I'm not. I promise. Look, I'm not doing that.
No,
But where did you get this from?
I I took the button.
Can I have a piece?
Wait, hold on.
Just a piece.
Pour some more.
I just want to split it.
But wait, hold on. Let me split it. Just leave it right there.
Okay.